Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear compound where methyl is on transposition, bromine and ethyl on transposition. Bromine ethyl is above the plane and two methyls are in the same plane, which is on the screen. You are reacting with base. You should find what will be the final product. The problem is in the plane side. To understand the problem, you should redraw the molecule with hydrogen. Since bromine and ethyl are front side, hydrogen should be on back side. So hydrogen below the plane. If you redraw to the skeletal form like sahars, you might realize the position and the possibility of E2 elimination. E2 elimination require hydrogen and bromine trans to each other. So bring hydrogen and bromine trans. Hydrogen bromine trans comes mean once you use the base subtract the proton, bromine elimination, you have alkene formation. Since the double bonds are locked, you have E alkene there, you have final product. What you should learn from here? You should know E2 elimination requires anti-periplanar position and you should bring the atoms in the anti-periplanar form. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.